Hey everybody, Region Prepper here again. As promised, the video on water preservation. Ooh! I just thought I'd show you some of the options you might have if you would like to keep a sufficient amount of water around your house or have the ability to do so in an emergency. A little tongue-tied there. First off, you have your traditional bottled water. I usually just go with the Nestle Pure Life. It's nothing special, it's just plain old bottled tap water. In the bathroom I keep this water bob, and basically what it is a giant plastic bag you throw in your bathtub, and there's a little spout that you put up, a little plastic spout you put up over the water spout, and you can fit up to 100 gallons in there. And then it has a little manual pump to pump into a milk jug or whatever you need to. In addition to having your your toilet tanks you could use with clean water, or even your hot water heater, which I'm lucky enough in this particular apartment complex that each unit has their own water heater in the apartment, and it's the regular full-size water heaters, which is perfect. In addition to this, and these. I have about 4 of these in storage, for my long-term water storage, that is. And you can tell by the date that I last filled mine in October, and I filled them all within about a week or so of each other. And well, yesterday doing that video got me to thinking that I should probably replenish my water supply. So I've already dumped this one out, and each of them holds 7 gallons. And what I do is I just fill them up with tap water, and then I add regular household bleach to it. Now I went to the Clorox website, and you'll note that this isn't regular bleach. This is the concentrated regular bleach. So I really wasn't sure how much to put in per gallon, but if you go on the Clorox website or just type in water purification Clorox bleach ratio on the internet, it'll come up. And I wrote down how much you need per gallon, regular bleach and regular concentrated bleach. Now you'll have to excuse my horrible handwriting, but 1 quart would take 2 drops of regular bleach, and same for the concentrated, which is this. 1 gallon has 8 drops regular, as this has 6. 2 gallons has 16 drops or 12 drops, which equals out to 1/8 of a teaspoon at that point for the concentrated. Or 5 gallons is 40 drops and 30 drops of the concentrated. So being that these are 7-gallon containers, I put 42 drops of bleach per container, and then fill it up to the 7-gallon mark. So like I said, I've already dumped this one out in the sink, and I typically don't add the bleach when it's empty, but I'll wash out the container real good, and then I will let it air dry, and then I'll add probably about a ½ gallon of water to the bottom, enough to cover the bottom a little bit, and then I'll put the bleach in, and then I'll add the rest of the water so it mixes while it's being filled. Relatively easy. You know, it's not rocket science, it's just water, the most important thing you need to live. It shows how easy it is, but yet the sheeple just don't feel it's necessary. They just depend that the tap is always going to be working. There'll always be water coming out of the tap, right? Nothing will ever happen. Anyway, just thought I'd show you this quick video on how to store some water. This is Region Prepper signing out. Remember folks, keep on prepping today for tomorrow.